Hari ini saya nemani Arnold dan istrinya, dan hari ini saya memperkenalkan Rujak to Arnold. Arnold, this is the first time do you eat rujak?
Oh
Ya, ini pertama kali Arnold makan rujak. This is the process, Arnold.
What is exactly?
This they put the fried peanut.
Okay, peanut.
Bering kok. Yeah, this is fried peanut.
Peanut. Okay.
This fried peanut, and then they, what do you call that? In English?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah,
Kige.
yeah.
Kige.
You want try?
Yeah, we are already eat some. Yeah, very good.
Sedikit sana. Sedikit. It's mine, it's yours.
Yeah.
Saya ngasih kacang goreng nih.
What about him?
Put some like the fruit. Cucumber, do you like? Cucumber?
Very good.
Dikerak.
Ya Allah, dikerak nak. Nyata ini.
Oh. This one is, we call that ketupat or lontong. It's made from rice.
Okay, yeah.
Rice, rice, and we call that ketupat.
Okay.
For the long one, it's lontong.
Okay. Ah, yeah.
Do you like?
Right?
Tuh. Jadi saya juga ngejelasin sama mereka, karena ini adalah apa ya, pertama kali mereka makan rujak. Rujak Madura. Jadi saya sedikit harus menjelaskan.
Ya. Kalau betul ya.
Ada petas merah, Bu?
Mare.
Oh, mare. Actually, it made from sayur kamu, Bu? Oh. Actually, they have fish juice. Oh, you like this one?
I don't know what it is.
Soya bean.
Soya bean. Bean.
Yeah.
Very good bean.
Yeah. Do you like?
Yeah.
This is tofu.
Tofu, no problem. Perfect.
Tofu,
And bean.
soya bean. Alright. Orang saja, Bu. And the last one, vegetable. This is vegetable. You like?
Noodle?
Yeah. Like soja. What do you call it in French?
Soja.
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 Okay. And this one,
I don't know.
you don't know?
Yeah, green vegetable.
Yeah. You want to try?
Yeah.
Oh, of course. Ini kangkung. Itu kangkung nggak di. Loh. Oh, ya.
Apa nak? Kakak ya.
This is the traditional food.
Begitu ya.
How is it? Hello.
Very
Good?
good. Yeah.
Good? Very good, huh?
Yeah.
You like?
Yeah, very good.
Alright.
I think you don't need to add chili.
Yeah.
Without chili, very good.
But I need chili for me.
You need chili. You always need chili.
Indonesian love chili, yeah?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. I recording you while you eating.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. All right.
Apri sorti cagaretta.
Itu dong, penting itu. Segini Bisa lapor saja.
Sebenarnya ada. Hah?
Saya. Coba.
Tentang penakan kan dia hitung.
Research. Kok bahasa Inggris saya. Menurut mereka enak sekali. Bu, enak bu. Mantap.
Ya. Oh, thank you ya. Oh,
Thank you. Selangkong bu.
nada ya cerdik ya.
Arnaud, what do you think of rujak?
Very fine.
Really?
This is a lot of taste here, and that, lot of taste. Yeah, very good.
Okay.
Very fine.
How about you? What do you think? Rujak?
Very good.
Very good, yeah?
Excellent.
Okay, excellent. Wow. How about the 1 to 10? What number do you like for rujak?
9.
9.
9. Oh, all right, 9. This is Madura's dishes. Rujak. Rujak, yeah. Is this a first time, right? Do you eat rujak?
And I don't know, the first time we meet that.
Okay.
Do they serve that in restaurant in the city?
Yeah?
Yeah,
As not in restaurants.
not in a restaurant.
Rujak, not in restaurant.
Yeah.
Because it's traditional food, mostly like warung like this.
Okay.
Mostly they sell rujak. We call that warung.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy your rujak.
Thank you very much.
The white? The white one. Very far away. Because Holland is our colony. Yeah. Since 1945. Before that,
After Mexico, the Red Sea, and then Namibia with lions and tigers and elephants.
10 years.
Yeah, young guy. So you are at elementary school?
Yes.
Oh, the school of your mother?
Yeah. My mother is my teacher.
Ah, really? Very good. I hope she don't give you any more chance than the other. Yeah. She do same thing with you than the other. Yeah. About your work.
Yeah. Yes, my teacher is happy.
Very good. So you work fine.
Yes.
Yeah. And your mother, what does she think about that? That the same.
Oke, kalau tadi udah ngobrol-ngobrol, hari ini saya mau makan malam sate, right?
Sate.
Sate, ya. Kita akan perkenalkan. Kalau tadi makan siangnya itu rujak, sekarang makan malamnya saya akan kenalkan sate Madura. Yuk, mari. Ya.
Ali pisang.
Very good.
Hi, Jane. How is the taste of satay?
It's very good.
Very good, yeah? How many satays do you have?
The first.
Yeah, no, how many?
Same.
5.
Ah, 5. Is this the first time?
Yes.
With satay?
First time, yes.
All right. Is it good?
Very good.
1 to 10?
I don't understand.
Yeah.
9.
9.
Yes.
How about you? Arnaud?
Very fine, very good.
Very
It
good.
looks like bruschetta in Mayotte.
Oh yeah, in
Yeah.
your country.
In Mayotte, no, it's in Africa. It's
Oh,
a place
I
they do
see.
exactly the same thing without the sauce.
Okay,
Same
okay.
thing and with manioc. Very good.
Manyo.
Yeah.
How many satay do you have now? Can you show to the camera? Your satay.
there
Yeah,
is,
yeah.
5 satay.
5 satays. Meat, yeah? Meat satay, yeah?
Yeah, very good.
All right. 1 to 10?
1 to 10, it is 9.
9. All right. Enjoy your satay for your dinner.
Thank you.
All right.
Very good. Thank you.
How about you, sir? Setelah mereka makan malam,
We are going in Mexico.
saya ajak mereka untuk menemui murid-murid saya untuk melatih bahasa Inggris murid-murid saya. Inilah mereka sedang membuat suatu percakapan dalam bahasa Inggris.